Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have a box here from Ulike. I've been seeing these all over all social media. I've actually seen commercials on TV, during videos, so they're all over the place these days. They reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted to try their IPL hair removal device. I said, sure, why not? It's a skincare beauty product, so I said yes. Things that I'm asked to do that are really just so far off my realm, I always say no to. I mean, sometimes I'll pick and choose a few products just because they might be interesting to all of you. So this is the original box. Save the box, which now I don't need the box. So it has just, you know, the outer sleeve right here. That probably will fall. And then you have the inside box that lifts up in the front right here, opens up. And this is what you see. So I won't keep this outer box, but then you have, whoops, get it out. Then you have this nice box right here, which is where everything is in. Oof. And I'll keep that box just to store it. And then back here, you have another box that has like the manual, like information. Honestly, didn't even look at any of that. Here, they give you a little like razor. And then here, I think this is last. And then here are little like glasses, because when you have a laser, you should. I just put my own sunglasses on, or I close my eyes, one or the other. So they give you all that, which is nice. So I'm going to just keep all this. Should I keep this box here? So I don't want to keep this because it's big and bulky. So we'll just put this behind for a little bit of a thing here. So then, you know, this information right here, I'll just move back here. And here in this little folder is, you know, lots of information for you to look at. I really didn't even look at it. I've used a laser in the past. Cost me about $500. It was like hands-free, but it hurt. Like it felt like somebody was like taking a rubber band and snapping it against your skin, even at the lowest setting. And if you raised it up, whichever time you have to do, it just hurt too much. I stopped using it. I mean, I still have it, and it is rechargeable, but I just don't use it because I don't want to experience pain. Enough pain in my life when I'm trying to do something for skincare or, you know, beauty regimen. No. So then this box, which is nice, and if you left this out, it would be, you know, it's not ugly. It's nice. And, you know, everything was inside, wrapped up, nice. And, of course, obviously, I took it off. And here's, you know, it just, you could rest it right back in there, you know, put it in, or, you know, you could remove this and just use this for something else if you wanted to. You know, I kept all this in there so that, you know, and it did come with a little cord protector, the prong, but nice box, like I said, and I will keep the box, and I will store this in the box. Oops. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. So this is, and this is your cord, plug-in cord, and then this is, you know, connected because this product, and this is the laser, pretty purple. This has to be plugged in to use. That's my only con, and I've been using this for weeks. I'm trying to think when I received this. I wrote it on the outer box. I don't think I saved the outer box. My phone is dinging left and right. Messages. I'm like, oh my goodness. So I'm sorry for that interruption. And I'm just trying to, my message is not going to go through. Okay. I don't know what the issue is. So, I've been using this for weeks. I think I received this the end of December. I'm trying to think. I thought I wrote down when I received it. But I wanted to use it for a good amount of weeks. I received it December 22nd. So, towards the end of December. So, I've been using it ever since. And I wanted to give it a fair use. Now, I find this, oh my goodness, very bulky to leave out, like in my bathroom or just to leave out. So I just wrap everything back up, and it comes with its own little leather, you know, binders there. And I just put it right inside my linen closet, pull it out. You know, now, you know, you're not using it every day. You're using it every so many days. Just pull it out, plug it in, and use it. A little bit of information that I would like to give to you. It says, regarding their IPL, hair removal system here, the higher the light energy, the better the hair removal outcome. Okay, which is the truth. And this has several different levels. Obviously, if you wanted to start out on a low level, you know, you can, and the laser, you know, comes out, laser portion comes out there. And the only thing that I felt, now I don't consider myself and I, like I said, used a laser before that hurt. This one, so you feels a little bit of warmth. So I'll take that over like that zap. I mean, that's horrible. So that is nice. I do have a promotional code for you. It's in the description box. You can save, you know, a good amount, $80 off the price. I just want to make sure I'm not missing any key points for them. I don't know if I have a link. Yes, I have a link to share, which is directly to Ulike. And this way you can, you know, try, if you'd like to try it, order it, try it, and do all that. Now, they do suggest that before hair removal that you shave, like if you're trying this on your legs, let's say. Or let's do something easy, your underarms. Shave. Because the hair's already on the outside of the skin, kind of ineffective for products like this. That if you shave, and like, I'd wait a day or so just in case you have any irritation from shaving. Not that this causes any, but I would wait maybe a day. You probably don't have to, but I personally would. And then start using the laser under your arm and just, you know, hit the button on the front for the laser. And then just move it into the areas where you have your normal hair growth. And do that, you know, so that, trust me when I say this works. So, like I said, I've been using it since the day I got it. The day I got it, I pulled it out and started using it. And I'm like, I love it. Now, I have epilated in the past for years. Do I still get that occasional hair growth here or there? Yeah. Well, guess what? This is going to prevent that from popping back up. The epilation has pretty much legs, armpits, stuff like that. This would be great. Bikini area. Here, let me unplug this so that I can show you. Bikini area. It's not really heavy, but like mid-tone for weight. It's not heavy, but it's not super light. My other one was very heavy. The other one was shaped like an hourglass. It was easier to hold. This is like, and it's slippery. I've dropped this a few times, not on the floor, but like it fell into my lap, or I was, you know, sitting in bed, using it, things like that. I wish it was shaped different, or had grippers on the side so you could get a better grip of it. I would say very easy to use. Very simple. You just, you know, place it, hit the button, move it, move it, move it, move it, until, you know, if you want to hit arm, armpit, legs, bikini area. Sometimes you get the, you know, if you have darker hair, probably more noticeable, like up your lower abdomen, you know, bikini seas and all that. You want to get rid of that hair. Shaving, you know, sometimes you can get ingrown hairs. You won't get that issue with this. I would consider it, like, I initially thought lightweight, but I would say it's like a mid-weight item. There's 3 different settings on this. You can go, and I'll show it to you when I plug it in. I have a plug right here, like a outlet strip. 3 different levels. If you've never used something like this before, you start out on level 1. If you're like, oh, okay, that's not bad. Maybe after a few uses, go up to 2, and then go up to 3. I went straight to 3 because I've used products like this before, and I'm fine with it. There's no pain whatsoever that I experienced, and I have in the past with lasers. I just felt warmth in the areas which, come on, if we use wax strips, that hurts. It's like yanking it out. But if you, let's say you have like hair on your upper lip, you should shave it first, or strip it and get it off, and then start using this. And you just would come in sideways, and you could just work your way around your upper lip, Or you get them stubborn chin hairs. You know, it all happens. It's gonna, if it hasn't happened to you yet, it's going to. One day you're fine, next day you got like a grandfather hair on you, and you're like, where'd that come from all of a sudden? You just constantly hit it with the laser, that area. If you always have one hair that comes in like I do on my chin, just, you know, hit it. Maybe you would do it twice and do it a couple times, and eventually it will stop the hair growth from deep at the root, and you won't have that problem anymore. You know, you have to continue to use any product in order for it to be effective. After several weeks use, the hair is gone, and then just maintenance. Just keep using it. Read the manual like I didn't. So, you know, if it's 3 times a week, continue to use it in the areas that you want the hair to be gone. I think this is going to be priceless come the warmer weather, or if you live in warmer weather, for bikini area, armpits. Like you have a bikini on, you raise your arm. You don't want to see dark-haired gals, and I don't know if it happens with blondes. It might not. You know, you wind up under your arm after you shave. You can see, like, if you have real dark hair, and I had that issue when I was younger, you could see where all the hair was directly under the skin, because when you shave, you're just taking it off the surface. Well, this gets deeper so that you have a clean, like your normal skin tone or pinkish tone, whatever color your armpits are. Perfect. Some lasers do not work on dark-skinned people. I don't know about this. I know the other laser, you had to test it. And if your skin was too dark, it wouldn't work, and you couldn't use it. I don't know about this. I will have to ask that question. I didn't even think of that till just right now with the other laser. Hopefully this is not set up like that this can be used by everybody. Can be used anywhere on the body. Now, I would not use it in the center of to keep those hairs gone in the center. I just, like, if you have a few hair growths here, just pluck them or wax them. I would not use this around my eyes, eyebrows, anywhere around my eyes. That's just me personally. Like I said, there is a promo code. It's in the description box. You'll save some money. Like I said, initially, the only con is, and I will show this on, is that you're tethered. I mean, this is decent length, but you have to be plugged into an outlet. I wish this was rechargeable and you could be sitting watching TV and doing your, like you have to be near an outlet, which is fine if you have an outlet. But I don't, like, I'm using this in my bathroom. I don't want to be sitting in my bathroom while I'm doing this. I'd rather be sitting in front of my laptop or TV, watching TV. This way, this is just moving along. And if you have to do your legs, that's a pretty large area to hit constantly. And she's going to knock everything off. Like, she's insistent to be a nudge. She knows I'm talking about her. Go lay down. Oh, you okay? So, that's my only con. The rest of it's all pros. So, let me undo this, and then I can show you. So, right attached to the cord is this. So, you can just bound it up. And, you know, if you don't want to, I have my thing here. The one side is polarized, which is nice. Okay, so I'm plugged in. I'll put that on my lap. Let me undo this side here. So there's one attached here, and they move, so you can put them anywhere. Decent length cord right here. So then what I'm going to do on the side is your power on. You just press that. There's the fan, and hopefully you can see those lights. So this one here is your power, and this is level 1. And you just hit the button on the side. We have 2 bars right there. And, oops, where's the button? Okay. Okay, I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so now we have 3 bars. Okay, that's what I've been using it at. Now, I'll just show you on my arm, rather than, you know, I've been using it. So here's your button that you would press to get the laser. Okay, so you just saw that. I accidentally pressed. So you would put it and press. Like, I really should not be looking directly at that. And it does light up when it's ready to use. So then you move it. I don't feel anything. I feel some warmth, but that's it. And then you just press it, use it again. It's simple. And that is the fan. When you're done using it, you just hold the button. Off it goes. You're done. It's that simple. Like, I don't feel warmth on my skin. I could feel a little bit of warmth as you move on. But this is your laser screen right there. So that has to be up against your skin. So wherever you'd like, and this is cold right now because it was in my linen closet. I'm like, oh, that's cold. I definitely think it's a great thing to have. I'm excited to continue to use this. Like I said, you know, summer is coming. You know, even though you wouldn't think it, we're wearing sweaters. It's cold and all that good stuff. And I'm just folding up the cord as we speak. You know, summer, you know, you might live where it's warm. You know, I do not. It won't be warm here till May. But let's get started on this early so that you don't have to worry about hair removal. Like, there's nothing worse than, and I wear shorts all summer long, like having to shave, all that stuff. So I'm excited to continue to use this. I'm happy that they reached out to me to share this product and to do a review. You know, like I said, the lasers of the past were not barbaric. You know, some of them were, but they hurt. And I don't know about you, but like I said, I don't want pain from a beauty tool. It's just not, I don't find it necessary. So this is great technology, modern technology, and, you know, I think it comes in, I'm almost positive I saw it come in different colors. This is called Sapphire, I think. No, I'm trying to think. Purple. I think it's a purple. Put down the razors, ditch the wax strips, and kiss goodbye to ingrown hairs and gray skin with the Ulike Air 3. That's what this is. So, you know, it's just, you know, I think a great system. And I'm, like I said, I've been using it since it came on December 22nd. It is, let me see if I can show you the date. Will the date pop up? No. It is Tuesday, January the 30th. Oh, that's going to be, I don't know if that's going to pop up or not. Tuesday, January the 30th. So I've been using it for a little over a month, and I love it. Initially, I used it a little bit more frequently just to see and noticed a huge difference. And now I just use it maybe 3-4 times a week and just hit the areas that I want the hair removal to stay consistent. You know, it's not something that you can use for a month and stop and never pick it up again and expect the hair to be gone. That's not how beauty tools really, they don't work like that. I think over time, yes, you're going to have less and less and less and less. I'm not going to say you're not going to get any regrowth because but you know, I haven't experienced that using it. Now, if I were to stop using it for a couple weeks, would I see hair regrowth? I might, because you haven't used it long enough. Like, I think a true test is a good 6 to 8 week period where then you might just have to do it once or twice a week for maintenance. Yes, I do feel that. But happy to try this, happy to have it, and wanted to bring it to all of you to let you have other options besides razors or wax strips. Shaving is fine. We get nicks and we get cuts. We've all, you know, stood in the shower and nicked the back of your, you know, your shin and, you know, gush of blood because that's a bleed area. Wax strips can be painful, messy. You have to go to the salon. If you go to the salon and pay for all that, it gets expensive. And this you can do in the privacy of your own home. You know, sit there, you know, if you're in your bathroom or in your bedroom, something like that, in the privacy of your own home or your own bathroom, and take care of what you need to take care of. And much easier, I think. So give them a look. Go to their website and see if it's something you would be interested in. If you are, don't forget to use the discount code, the promo code that I have in my description box, and save yourself a little bit of money. All right, so that's my video for today. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.